Hey everybody, here we have a 2017 Chevy Cruze LT, 4-cylinder turbo motor. This thing's going to get you between 35 and 40 miles to the gallon on the highway and about 30 miles around town. It is a certified unit which gets you 2 free oil changes. You get the 100,000 mile powertrain warranty and up to 48,000 miles bumper to bumper. This vehicle has under 20,000 miles, so you have a ton of warranty left on it. We've gone through a 170-point inspection. This thing's ready to go for you. Let's take a walk around back. Hey everybody, I wanted to show you the back of this 17 Cruze's trunk. A lot of people think these have no storage. Look at the depth in here, and not to mention the seats do fold down for you. You can put a ton of stuff inside of a Cruze. From your golf bags to your college kids taking their stuff back, whatever you need, you put it in here. Let's go up front and show you the inside of this. Here we are inside this 17 Cruze, guys, and this one here, being an LT, has your Bluetooth, has your driver information center that tells you everything you need to know about the vehicle. The cruise control, the touchscreen 8-inch radio with backup camera built in, air conditioning, of course. It has all of your hookups for your smartphones, your tablets, traction control, so if the weather does get bad, this car's going to keep you nice and straight going down the road, not to mention the OnStar system you have built in. Give us a call on this one. It will not be here long. 724-349-3000, Delaney Chevrolet, right on Water Street, Indiana, Pennsylvania. We'll see you when you get here, guys.